Good morning, children. Class 6th, English first. Let us continue our lesson number 19, conjunctions. So, I already told you that three types of conjunctions. Definition also I told, example also I told. I hope you already, it is written in your copy. Now, exercise number B also I told to try. So, I am showing this answer in this video. So you just do that. Okay, so first sentence you just see, either you or she are lying to me. That is sentence is correct. So there is no error. Like that, neither Ananya nor the brothers likes going to the movies. There is when you will write the sentence, neither Ananya nor her brothers like, not likes, because brothers already plural is a, so like going to the movies. This one, not only my neighbors but also I am helping to plant slapping in the park opposite our house. No error, means sentence is okay. Either the singer or the song he is singing is bad. Is no need, because this instead of that are. Fifth one, neither the performers nor the manager were interested in the show. Manager single was. Not only the residents of the area but also people from the other parts of the city. No error, it is correct. Then, seventh one, a pair of shoes are very costly these days. A pair of shoes is very costly these days. Okay, my shoes are totally worn out. No error. Physics is, not physics are, is the favorite subject. On the one of the boys is coming now. Okay, now you just see the next exercise you can do. Join the two independent clauses in each case using the corrective conjunctions mentioned in brackets to form a single sentence. One has been done as an example. What is that? Wear you your sweater, take a jacket. Either or use karna. So how it will be? Either wear your sweater or take a jacket. So we have to use either. Second sentence you just see, she finished all the chocolates, she ate all the biscuits. So how will you write it? Not only she finished all the chocolates, but also she ate all the biscuits. Did you see that? Then either or. Either come right away or come after 5 in the evening. Like that we have to change the sentence. You try, you will get. Then fourth one you just see, my uncle is coming, my cousin is coming. So how we will write that? Both my uncle and my cousins are coming. Okay, like that. Fifth one you just see, what is fifth one? Neither did we go to the concert, nor did we go to the movies. Very carefully you read and do. His claims are false, but his facts are all wrong. So how we'll write that? Not only are his claims false, but also his facts are all wrong. Do you see? Like that. He is both intelligent and is hardworking. Okay, that is the answer. I have not seen her, I have not spoken to her. So neither I have not seen her nor spoken to her. So you just see the sentences and read nicely and do in your copy, then learn nicely. This one you just try to do. Tomorrow I will read the correct answer. Then one more exercise I am giving to you for tomorrow. Underline the subordinating exercise number D, subordinating a conjunction. So this one very clearly it is written. You just try and also write in your copy. Okay. Then this much only. That last one also can you do. See, just see. Let us revise. Choose the correct answer. Filling the blanks in the sentence given below, choosing appropriate conjunctions from those given the bracket. Bracket means a correct answer. That you can do. You just do. Tomorrow I will read the answer. Okay. Then next exercise, exercise number F, that I will tell you tomorrow. Okay. Have a good day.